The Showdown is a dress-up game aimed at young and teenage girls, with a P13 age rating. Its main focus lies in fashion and style, enabling players to put their creative skills to use through dressing up non-player characters for various events and scenarios. This game is designed to be a single-player experience, granting players the freedom to personalize their own looks and explore different fashion styles without being affected by others. As the game goes through the loading process, a screen with a progress bar will show how much of the game has been loaded. On this screen, an icon of a girl's head will be placed above the progress bar, signifying that the player will be dressing up a female character. On this screen, the player will see two buttons, Play and Settings. Clicking the Play button will take the player to the game world where they can begin dressing up characters. The Settings button will allow the player to access game options such as control settings or sound options. In the game, the player will meet an in-game tutorial led by a character named Coco. This tutorial is there to give the player instructions and guidance before they begin dressing up characters in the game. The goal of the tutorial is to familiarize the player with the game's mechanics and controls, which will help them effectively dress up characters. This screen offers various options such as sport outfit, party outfit, and school outfit. The player's selection will dictate the style and clothing used to dress up their avatar, depending on the chosen theme. The main gameplay involves dressing up characters based on the player's chosen theme or activity. After the player has picked a theme, the game will show them a range of clothing items, accessories, and other items that match the selected theme, which they can choose from to dress up the characters. The settings menu, there is a music button that has an on-off function. When the player presses the button to turn on the music, the background music in the game will begin playing. If, however, the player decides to turn off the music by pressing the button again, the background music will be muted. The reset button in the game provides two options, yes and no. If the player decides to press yes, all the progress made so far in the current gaming session will be lost. Before selecting yes, a warning message will appear to remind the player that their progress may not be saved. The camera screen is a UI element in the game that is specifically dedicated for players to take a photo of the avatar they have dressed up. After players have finalized their character's look, they can access the camera screen and click a picture of the character in their chosen outfit. This feature permits players to save and share their unique creations with other players or on social media.